Computer applications, multiple choice, question and answers in English and Kannada. This is part 11. In this part, total 30 question and answers from question number 288 to 317. Question: RAM is a dash. Option: memory, software, both A and B, and none of these. Right answer is memory. Question: storage of 5 KB means the following numbers of bytes dash: 5210, 5124, 5120 and 5141. Right answer is 5120. Question: the most common input device used today is the dash. Option: motherboard, central processing unit, keyboard and system unit. Right answer is keyboard. Question: memory system can consist of 3 groups of memories. There are: option: floppy, tape, CD, ROM, RAM, HDD, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, and internal processing memories, primary memory, secondary memory. Right answer is PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. Question: caps lock key is an example for dash. Option: special keys, toggle keys, function keys and alphanumeric keys. Right answer is toggle keys. Question: which of the following special key is used to remove left side data? Option: delete, backspace, end and both A and B. Right answer is backspace. Question: the speed limit of a line printer is? Option: CPS, LPM, PPM and none of the above. Right answer is LPM, lines per minute. Question: mouse option is control panel is used to change. Option: mouse pointers, mouse button, mouse motion and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question: entertainment is present in dash. Option: start to program, to accessories, start to program, to entertainment, start to program, to MS Office and none of these. Right answer is start to program, to accessories. Question: in WordPad there are dash alignments are available. Option: 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right answer is 4. Align left, center, align right and justified. Question: this icon name is dash. Option: pick color, pencil, brush and airbrush. Right answer is brush. Question: paint contain the following menus. Option: file, to edit, to view, to image, to color, to help. File, to edit, to image, to format, to color, to help. File, to edit, to view, to insert, to image, to help. And File to edit, to insert, to view, to image, to help. Right answer is file to edit, to view, to image, to color, to help. Question: which of the following is not a programming language? Option: Unix, Fortran, C, Ada. Right answer is Unix. Question: the print preview help you dash. Option: print the document, edit text, view how the document will appear when printed, and copy the document. Right answer is view how the document will appear when printed. Question: which of the following can be created by the mail merge command dash? Option: form letters, envelopes, mailing labels, and all of these. Right answer is all of these. Question: MS Word automatically moves the text to the next line when it reaches to the right edge of the screen. This feature is called option: word wrap, word formatting, word style, and none of the above. Right answer is word wrap. Question: in MS Word, the table can be converted into dash. Option: picture, graph, file, and text. Right answer is text. Question: by choosing dash option from the change case, we can convert first character as uppercase. Option: sentence case, title case, uppercase, and all of the above. Right answer is sentence case. Question: the different views available in MS Word are dash. Normal view, page view, outline view, and any of the above view. Right answer is any of the above view. Question: in MS Word, subscript option is present in dash. Option: change case, font, paragraph, and none of the above. Right answer is font. Question: in MS Word, drop cap option is also known as option: drop capital, drop up, drop small, and drop down. Right answer is drop capital. Question: in MS Word, spelling mistake is find out through option: green wavy line, black wavy line, red wavy line, and blue wavy line. Right answer is red wavy line. Question: in MS Excel, the len text function gives dash. Option: length of the text string, space of the text string, address of the memory location, and none of the above. Right answer is length of the text string. Question: auto content wizard helps to dash. Option: organize what you want your presentation to say, apply a template and set up the masters, apply the default presentation, and none of the above. Right answer is apply the default presentation. Question: in MS PowerPoint, the shortcut key to insert a new slide is dash. Option Control plus M, Control plus N, Control plus S and Control plus A. Right answer is Control plus M. Question: PowerPoint slide cannot contain the following dash. Option clip art, word art, draw art and shapes. Right answer is draw art. Question: animation schemes can be applied to dash in the presentation. Option all slides, select slides, current slide and all of the above. Right answer is current slide. Question: in MS Access, calculation is performed by dash objects. Option table, query, form and report. Right answer is table. Question: modem converts dash. Option digital data into signals, electronic data into analog signals, data into signals and digital electronic data into analog signals. Right answer is digital electronic data into analog signals. Question: which of the following is not correct dash? Option graphics is the best way to present the facts and figures in the presentation. PowerPoint always you to create and view a graph in different formats. Line graph depicts trends over a period of time, and PowerPoint does not always you to change the graph type as per your requirement. Not correct sentence is PowerPoint does not always you to change the graph type as per your requirement.